In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a health UI in Figma for Roblox Studio. Start by opening your design in Figma so you are working inside the file or project where your UI assets will live. If you have a designated page for Game HUD elements, switch to it now to keep things tidy and easy to find later. Create a new frame and set its size to 300 by 50 pixels. This will act as the container for the health bar. It's a solid starting size that's easy to read in most Roblox game views. And you can always scale it up or down later. Keep this frame selected as your workspace for the rest of the elements so everything stays aligned. Inside the frame, draw a rectangle that fills the frame or sits with a little padding on each side to create a base. Round the edges by increasing the corner radius until it looks modern and readable. You are aiming for smooth corners that won't distract from the bar's fill. Color this base a strong contrasting color, like black or a very dark gray, so the fill and text on top are easy to see in game. Now add the health bar fill. Draw a second, smaller rectangle on top of the base to represent current health. Align it to the left edge of the base and set its height to match. Color it green to signal health at a glance. You can set the initial width to any percentage you want to preview, such as half or 3/4, and you'll later adjust it dynamically in Roblox. Add a simple health icon such as a heart to the left side of the bar or at the far end. Keep it clean and readable at small sizes. Then add text, include a health label and a percentage value. Use a clear, legible font. Size it so it's comfortable at typical screen distances and set the text color to white or a light tone for strong contrast against the dark base. When you are happy with spacing and alignment, select the individual elements you plan to use in Studio, such as the background frame and the health bar fill, and export them as PNGs at 1x or 2x resolution. PNG keeps transparency intact, which is essential for clean edges. Here is a useful tip if you want to recolor these assets inside Roblox Studio using Image Color 3. Make the exported elements pure white in Figma. White assets take color tints cleanly and give you flexibility without re-exporting. That's it for the Figma side. Save your assets and you are ready to bring them into Roblox Studio. Thanks for watching.